Alright guys, so today I'm out here and I'm testing out this mic right here from FIFINE. As you guys can see, this is a FIFINE M9 wireless lavalier mic system for video recording and streaming. So I'm outside right now and I'm testing out the quality of this mic right here. Now you guys may have known, if you guys have been following channel for quite some time now, I have been testing out a lot of mic on this channel right here. So today, this one definitely I'm going to test out. Let you guys hear if this quality, that's something that you guys want inside your video. The thing I like about this mic as well is that it have nice cancellation, and this mic right here can go up to 100 feet. Now the thing I like about this mic is that it is multi-purpose, meaning that it can use on your camera and also on your mobile phone. But right now I'm testing out with my camera right here. Now we got a lot of accessories which come inside, which I'm going to go through and show you guys everything that comes inside the package. So we have a lot of different adapters that you can use for your mobile phone, whether you're using a Android phone or an iPhone or an action camera or a mirrorless camera. Also we are going to head into unboxing, let you guys see what comes inside the package. So we got some dead cat. We have a USB-A to USB-C for charging. Some more cables right here. We have a 3.5mm jack to 3.5mm jack. And this one can use right here inside your camera. We have a 3.5mm to USB Type-C, and this right here can use in your mobile phone. And we have a 3.5mm to 3.5mm, and this one right here can use in your phone as well, if your phone take advantage of that. Now we are going to take a closer look at the mic right here itself, which neatly packaged in this little case right here. Now behind the back right here you can see we have a USB Type-C for charging, which you're going to charge up this. So it feels really lightweight, compact, very neat. Now inside the package we have two mics, transceiver. So we have this part right here as well. So the design is actually just like your typical clip-on mic. So we have these three devices right here which comes inside. We have a power button onto this one right here, which can actually turn it on. Press this, and you guys can see right there we have a blue light flashing. We have a link button right here. We have a nice cancellation button as well. We have a clip on, we can clip on onto your clothes. Power button to the side, really nice. So we can turn on this as well, and this is how it actually looks. Now on the receiver right here we have the power button right here. We have MS. So we have a signal to show which transceiver is connected. So we label A and B. To this side right here we have a power button, and also we have a volume button which control the volume of the mic right here. To this section we have a charging port. To this side right here we have a MS. So we have a link and a out signal for the 3.5mm cable. Alright guys, so I'm out here and I'm going to test out the range of this right here. I'm going to go further away from the camera and hopefully you guys can hear me. Yeah. I'm not sure if you guys can see me on the camera. Alright guys, so I'm out here right now and I'm testing the sound quality of this mic right here. It's a bit windy right now, and yes, I have on the wind muff on it, so it should reduce some of the winds that come in. The thing though, I have the nice cancellation off. I was doing a test of this already sometime, and the thing I don't like about it with the nice cancellation on is that sometimes it can be a bit muffy, which I don't like. So I prefer to use the wind muff with the nice cancellation off. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn on the nice cancellation. Should press the little button on here, and now the nice cancellation is on. Let me know what you guys think about the difference in terms of the sound quality, but I'll just keep it off for now. Turn it back off, and this is it right here guys. I'm not sure if this is picking up my audio, but hopefully it will. Based on what they said in the package, it is 100 feet. I'm not 100 feet as yet, but hopefully this will pick up my voice out here. So now the nice cancellation is on right now, and this is the quality that you will get out of this microphone right here with the nice cancellation on. Let me know what you guys think, if you like it better with nice cancellation off, or if you like it better with the nice cancellation on. Let me know what you guys think. This is the sound quality of the mic right here on my camera. I'm going to test the sound quality on my mobile phone. So if you're a mobile phone content creator, I'm going to show you guys how this mic sound whenever you're using your camera with your phone. So What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to use the USB Type-C adapter which come inside, hook it up to this, and let you guys see. Alright guys, I'm now testing out the quality right here with my mobile phone. Let me see if the voice cancellation is on. Yes, the noise cancellation is on right now, and this is the quality that I'm getting with my mobile phone right here. I think the range is just the same, so I might not test that, but this you guys here how it sounds if you use it with your mobile phone. I'm going to turn off the noise cancellation right now. Noise cancellation is off, and this is just the quality that you guys get out of this right here. So guys, this is it. This is the sound quality of this microphone right here. Let me know what you guys think if you would check this out. Also, I'm going to put a link for this down in the description if you guys interested in picking up one of these. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.